Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect Bluetooth device in the Vivo Y3s smartphone. Without further, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of the Vivo Y3s. Then choose Bluetooth and devices. Now we need to click on the Bluetooth. Now I turn on the Bluetooth device. Then I click the pairing mode. Now this Bluetooth device enter into the pairing mode. Now click, I use Bluetooth and click pair new device. Now the Oppo Enco M32 available here. I need to click on that. Now the Bluetooth is connected successfully. You can use it for media hearing or you can use it for calls also. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.